Hey guys, check this out. Just got done getting my hair cut and was heading home, being safe, obeying the law, and got in the left lane for this guy here, in the right lane, parked there, and then I moved back over because I was getting ready to make a right-hand turn at this intersection up here. Now watch this.
Dude, just ran a red light.
Guy blew right through a red light in a busy intersection. I mean, total disregard for the law. Safety of others. What a prick. Alright guys, there you have it. You know, video doesn't lie. If you don't have a dash cam, highly recommend you get one. You know, camera doesn't lie. Alright, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.